Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in Casa Cristina and we're almost done. Wait till you see these beautiful finishes that Antonella and Salvatore have put on. This place is absolutely stunning. We can't wait to open it and offer it to you guys at a beautiful boutique hotel here in Santa Domenica Talao. Check it out. One of the things that I love about Salvatore and Antonello is they come up with these beautiful ideas, and we love arches and they know that. So Salvatore got all of these bricks and he made this gorgeous arch up here. Many of the bricks that are used in the other arches are handmade bricks that he's salvaged from other projects from a long time ago. I don't know if these are handmade bricks, but they're just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that arch. It's such a beautiful piece of finishing touch that you're not going to find anywhere except in the hands of a master craftsman. Okay, so this part here, we've decided we want one of those tile murals that they make in Vietri su Mare, and it might be a little path, maybe it's a vase with flowers. We're not sure what we're going to do with that, but it's going to be gorgeous. So this is Lisa's room. Lisa, you have to come over and be in your room. I wanted it for her because I think it's the prettiest room here. What they did was they left the walls exposed here with edging. So it's just so pretty what they've done. And then of course you got this magnificent view. You've got a good sized bathroom in there and just a really comfortable, good sized room where you can just be pampered. This is the room that actually has a little balcony that overlooks the street. But the funny part is in the bathroom, there used to be one of those old bathrooms that they sort of stuck on the side. So that bathroom has gone away, but there was still the infrastructure for that. So we decided to put a little balcony out there. So if you have clothes to wash or whatever, you can put them out on your little balcony, or you can have coffee out there in the morning. It's gonna be stunning. This balcony is my favorite part of the whole B&B. It goes along the whole side of the building, so it takes up the whole side of the building. The views from up here are spectacular. Can you imagine having coffee out on this balcony here and looking out in the morning at the gorgeous, we call it the Elephant Head Mountain, and the sea and the Polino National Park. The reason we actually purchased this particular property is because the views were spectacular. So you can come and enjoy them too. Okay, so I asked Salvatore, I saw this part here, these like roof tiles, and he's like, oh, they're ugly. And I'm like, no, I like them. Can you do something cool with them? Because I wanted them to stay in the wall. So he made this like a little picture, and there's actually two of them up here with the old roof tiles that were used to make the wall. I thought that was brilliant. And here's my favorite part of Casa Cristina is this beautiful terrace. And I'll be honest with you, this is pretty much why we purchased this particular building. Of course, the building itself is beautiful, but this view out the back from this terrace is spectacular. So we're going to make great use of this terrace this summer. It's going to be perfect. We're going to have exercise programs. We have a masseuse that we are lining up. We will have wine and cheese evenings here and house concerts and all kinds of really cool things happening at Casa Cristina starting April 2024 when we launch. So be ready, you guys. It's going to be way too much fun.